Oh, Dok, may kasama ka na, si Kapitan. Naiiwan na si Dok. Sabi ko, huwag kang bibitiw. Okay, tira, ano? Okay. Oo na tayo kasi walang nagaan. So ito yung banis ng ano. Andyan pa rin ang ano. Andyan pa rin. Ito ka, dalhin nyo to. Ito. Have 2 laps to go. Para malaman kung sino yung tao. There's Uncle Sam from Dubai, our visitor from Dubai, and Kapitan is there also, and Kenneth Tirado from Thailand. Is Makmak, is Mama Andring, is Marlon. So the contenders are here. Okay, sauna na. Ayan na. Andyan ang mga contenders. Andyan si Chris. Andyan si Wakmak. Andyan si Ronald. Kenneth Tirado. And Kapitan. And we have here our visitor from Dubai. And one team in Bali. Sir, anong pangalan mo, sir?
Rain season.
Adrian Season. And Sam Meneses on the second. And we have here our loan from Thailand. Kenneth Tirado. There's Mr. Season from Pinmalay. Mr. Meneses. Sam Meneses from Dubai. Truck, tabi. Mauna ka na. Pagbigyan. Okay na, clear na. Walang pagbabago, ganun pa rin ang feedback. El Season on the lead. Yan nangunguna sa peloton. He is from Pinmalay. That is Pinmalay. Team Pinmalay. Second is Uncle Sam. Uncle Sam, our visitor from Dubai. So maganda magpaka dito. Pagpaka ng mga local sa mga imported. We are running at 40 to 45 an hour. Nandito na kami sa boundary ng Bugalyon at Labrador. So you see the view of the Zambales Mountains. We have there the solar na ginagawa ngayon nandyan no, sa bandang taas. It's a project of Abuitis. We are now at the Barangay Bulo. This is our last stage of Pangasinan Cycling Club. Cycling team. It is the Western Pangasinan Cycling Team. Ito the Western Pangasinan. Andyan si Makmak, andyan si Uncle Sam, andyan si Kapitan, si Marlon, andyan si kaibigan, si Dario. Wala, si Cesar nasa huli. Si Ricky, tsaka si Manong John. Habol! Habol mga friends! Ayan na! Ayan! Eric kasi Eric! Pinado! He's already! He's leading the peloton! So we are approaching the finish line. This is the first lap of our team. Let's get it. We're running at 45 an hour. Tabi muna, tabi! Tabi muna, tabi! Tabi muna, may race! May race, kuya! Ayaw pa punta ng dumalanda ng